This is a strobe light, and if we change the capacitance in this circuit, we can also vary the blinking speed of the LED. Hey there guys, I am Ben Snartless, and in this video we are building a strobe light with the help of an optocoupler. So let's get started.
Welcome to Clingside!
Welcome back. So what we have here is an optocoupler. You can identify the anode, which is the positive terminal, with a dotted edge. And we have number 2 as a cathode, which is a negative terminal. And number 3 and 4 are the emitter and collector. So how this works is when current flows through the anode and cathode, it emits light, and the light is then received by the collector and emitter. So to show how this works, I connected a 1K resistor to the anode, and then I soldered some wires to the rest of the terminals. And by connecting the meter probe to the emitter and collector, and tuning my meter to the continuity test mode, and connecting a battery to the anode and cathode, I was able to get a reading that indicates that the optocoupler was still in good shape. And so guys, to build this project, I soldered a 1K resistor to the cathode and the emitter of the optocoupler. And then I soldered a 1000 microfarad capacitor to the anode and emitter of the optocoupler. And then guys, I soldered a 4K resistor to the anode of the optocoupler. I soldered the positive terminal of an LED to the 4K resistor and the other negative terminal of the LED to the collector. And after that, I hooked up my battery to the positive terminal of the LED, and I soldered the negative terminal of the battery to the cathode of the optocoupler. And by connecting the battery, you can see that our project has come to life. And so guys, to make this project more fun, I desoldered the capacitor, and then I soldered back a capacitor socket to the terminals where the capacitors were before. So guys, this is done so that we can insert different capacitance so that we can control the amount, the blinking speed of the LED. And so with the battery connected, we will try out different capacitance to see how this affects the circuit. And so first we tried a 3000 microfarad capacitor, and now guys, as you can see, the LED even slower with a 3000 microfarad capacitor. And now guys, we are going to try out an 82 UF capacitor. So guys, as you can see, with the decrease in capacitance, the LED blinks faster than the 3000 microfarad capacitor. So guys, this is the end of the project. I hope you share, like, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me a lot. So guys, stay creative and stay safe. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'm out.